What's up, guys? Today we have this. It's the Apple MagSafe Duo charger. It's just like a charger thing that will charge both your Apple Watch and your phone. So, well, check it out. All right. Let's open this up. So there it is, MagSafe Duo. So it looks like it's made of some kind of silicone material. Oh yeah, this thing flips up, so you can put this next to your bed and use it like a nightstand. Well, use your watch in nightstand mode. Cool. And then you have this part, which is the phone charger. So it has wireless charging for the phone. It looks like it folds up too, I guess to make it compact. But when you're not using it, I guess you fold it up. It also includes this USB-C to lightning cable. Good. Let's plug that into our battery bank for now. I don't have a plug nearby. Okay, let's flip that up. Let me go grab my phone and my watch. Give me a second. So here's the phone, pretty standard iPhone, and it charges. That's good. Wireless charging, and now let's put my watch there, and it charges. That means both of them can charge at the same time. As you see, let me take the phone off and angle it upwards. It's in nightstand mode. That's pretty cool. And you can also fold it down and put it like that, of course with the band open. Yeah, it's a pretty cool charger, although its only purpose really is to save one plug for you, because you would normally have your phone on its wireless charger or its charger, which would be a separate plug, and this on another charger, your watch, which would be two plugs. But you could just buy a wall USB adapter with, well, two USBs on it, and it kind of serves this purpose. So yeah, that's kind of it for this video. Just kind of an unboxing and demo of the new Apple, what's this called? MagSafe Duo charger. It doesn't even come with a power brick, but I guess you're gonna have to source that yourself. Yeah, it's got a little Apple logo engraved, stamped onto it. I don't know. But yeah, that's cool. And it's magnetic folding. There it goes. Yeah, so that's kind of it. And it just uses the lightning cable. Yeah. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.